Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can install Microsoft Clarity on your Shopify store. Okay, so if you log in already in a Shopify store, then you're going to search from here, just on the search bar, select apps, and then search your Microsoft Clarity. You will get this one, and let's click on enter. Also in the browser, search Microsoft Clarity and go to the website on clarity.microsoft.com. And also we just need to go to the sign up, and we need to select here one of this. Let's say go with Google account. After creating an account, then you will get like this, confirm your email. So I just go continue. And then they're just strictly saying to add your website link, name, and industry. So on the other hand, as you can see, I also open here this one. So what you could do, I can just go here and the store, go to view your online store, this one. So I'm gonna copy my URL of the website, enter here. Also, I need to write here the name of my website. As you can see, I need to remove this link, this one. I need to select my industry here. So let's say I'm going to select others, but in your case you can select. Let's go to add a project. And if you're just going to click on install on Shopify, you'll get to see it's going to redirect on the same page. Now let's click on this install button. Now let's click on here this install button to install it. Alright, so as you can see, we install it successfully and just redirect on this page. After installing Microsoft Clarity, you will get to something like this, sign up option. So let's click on sign in with Google. And you can see we're getting a little error. Let's try again. And we just need to do a little bit work here. For example, we need to add our theme setting. We need to enable this Clarity.js and Clarity agents as part of this. And also we just need to add our Clarity account. So let's link with my Clarity account. And here they're asking for a Clarity project ID. So sometimes it's not really hard. Sometimes it's easy. Okay, so let's go here and let's say share the instruction. Okay, let's go to the setting. And here, as you can see, our project ID. So let me copy. Okay, let's paste it. Let's see it's working or not. Okay, so project link successfully sent. Okay, right. Let's see if we get to see anything in here. Let's reload the page. Still, it's not. Looks okay. Let's refresh. And let's go to theme setting. Let's enable both of this. So I just enable and let's make it save. You just need to check your email that this sending me approve. Let's approve it. Let's see. I think it's successfully connected right now. And below they are asking me a few questions. Anyway, let's go back to our Shopify and let's reload here. Okay, so they're asking for a brand agent. So let's add for now. I think it's not necessary for now. But anyway, let's see the teams here. This is owner and this is our admin. And this is also admin someone is sending. So I don't really want it. So yeah, this is the thing. And this is the easiest way to do setup. For Microsoft Clarity, you can check your email if everything is really okay, and it's gonna take a little bit of time for showing all the data. And also, if you want to add a new team members on here, just go to setting and then go to teams. Then you can just add your own different team members if you want to add. Then you can just add it here.